when you're in a trade like that, managing it is always one of the key elements of doing well in this business. You don't want to let it back up into you. You don't want to give too much away, but you want to let it have a chance to run as well. What I did is felt like I gave it a little bit of a chance to get through that 53. I took out that remaining set of contracts at 53.50. So we're now flat. We don't have an open position anymore, and this was the profit on that trade. It was a $12,000 trade. And you can see what's going on the 15. I can see a couple of places here where I'd like to try to sell back in again, but it's maybe a little premature to give you that information. But there are a couple of places where I might consider becoming a seller again. But you can see kind of a triple bottom on that 5 there where it got to 53, and we may see a little bounce up here. And I think ultimately, I think it is going to continue lower, showing you the daily chart again. I think it's going to get down into that area that I mentioned earlier, that 51 and a quarter area, call it. And I think we will see that. But whether we wanted to let this trade back up on us and potentially give up some of our locked-in profits on that last remaining set of contracts, no, that's not something we do. We'll wait, and if we think it's going to get down to that 51 and a quarter, and we think it's going to reverse a little bit here, we'll wait and become a seller again at a more advantageous position and cash out of our contracts as we did here. So that's it for now. Not sure what else may be going on today. It's kind of a weird day. You can see the volume on the right and left side of those prices going off. It's another kind of a low volume day. And in any case, so we'll decide whether we want to stick around too much longer. It is now 9 o'clock. Gonna go walk the dogs and grab breakfast, but we're up 12,000 on the day so far. And again, this is the 28th of December.